Are you freaking kidding me right now? Put your camera down and get that dog inside. You can't believe that this is cute, trying to capture a video of that dog getting soaked by rain, even though you took the bottom of the kennel and put it on top like you're doing something humane for them. You should just bring them inside. This is what makes rescuing dogs so tough, is when we got to deal with humans like this. Come on, people. We can do better with our dogs. Quit putting your dog in a kennel in your backyard. Bring them inside. Let them get on the couch. Let them sleep on the floor. Get them a dog bed. They deserve way better treatment than this.